First, struggled with keeping your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra steady while driving? Today, I'll show you the 6 best car tablet holders for 2025 that make every ride smoother and safer. Welcome back to my channel. Remember, all product links are in the description for you to grab easily. The number 6 product on our list is Kolasels Car Tablet Holder. Imagine driving stress-free, your tablet perfectly in view without blocking the road. That's the comfort Kolasels Car Tablet Holder brings. Built with a sturdy metal telescopic arm, it lifts your screen to eye level, solving the neck strain and unsafe glances drivers often face. Its heavy-duty construction feels reassuringly solid, unlike flimsy plastic mounts that wobble with every bump. I tested its 360° adjustment during long rides, and the smooth rotation made switching from maps to videos effortless. Compared to others on the list, this one stands out for its rock-solid cup holder grip that doesn't rattle or squeak even on rough terrain. Wide compatibility means you can secure everything from your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra to smaller phones with confidence. It's a smart choice for families, commuters, or road trip lovers wanting peace of mind. For me, this mount solves real-world problems and proves itself as a reliable, long-term travel companion. At number 5 is Porfortop Car Tablet Holder. There's something instantly reassuring about a mount that feels rock-solid the moment you lock it in place, and that's exactly what the Porfortop Car Tablet Holder delivers. Its heavy-duty suction cup grips dashboards and windshields like glue, solving the biggest frustration drivers face: unreliable holders that slip mid-journey. The aluminum alloy arm not only feels premium but also carries impressive load capacity, making it a dependable companion for larger devices like the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. During testing, the 360° swivel and adjustable telescopic arm stood out, letting me switch between portrait for maps and landscape for streaming with total ease. Compared to others, this mount feels more versatile, with its wide device compatibility and silicone padding that protects your gear while keeping it steady on rough roads. It's bulkier than some options, but the sturdiness outweighs the size. If you value stability, flexibility, and peace of mind on every drive, this one checks all the right boxes. At number 4 is PLDHPRO Car Tablet Holder. Sometimes the smartest upgrades are the ones that solve multiple problems at once, and that's exactly what the PLD Car Tablet Holder delivers. Instead of cluttering your windshield or fighting with flimsy mounts, this one slides right into the CD slot, giving you a clean view of the road while keeping your tablet rock solid. The screw-lock design feels premium, and the triangular CD clip locks everything down, so you don't have to worry about bumps or vibrations shaking your device loose. What makes it stand out is its flexibility, handling everything from compact phones to large tablets like the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra with total ease. Compared to bulkier suction mounts, it's less intrusive, yet just as stable. Soft silicone padding gives peace of mind, preventing scratches, while the open cable design makes charging effortless on long drives. If you value stability, a clear windshield, and tested comfort for both road trips and daily commutes, this mount feels like the smart choice. The third one on our list is OHLPRO Car Tablet Holder. Sometimes the simplest upgrades transform every ride, and that's what the OHLPRO Car Tablet Holder manages to do. From the moment you set it up, the flexible long arm and 360° rotation feel like a game changer. Finally, navigation and entertainment at eye level without awkward angles or distractions. Unlike mounts that limit you to one spot, this one adapts with multiple installation options: dashboard, windshield, or even the air vent, giving you the freedom to choose what fits best. Compared to cup holder mounts, the wider viewing perspective here feels more natural, especially for larger screens like the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The suction cup locks down with reassuring firmness, and the silicone pads protect your device while keeping it from slipping on rough roads. Yes, the arm may take up a bit more space than compact alternatives, but the comfort it delivers outweighs the trade-off. For drivers who want stability, flexibility, and peace of mind, this is a smart pick. Number 2 is APPS2 Car Tablet Holder. Here's a product that feels built for real-world travel. The APPS2 Car Tablet Holder takes long drives from stressful to smooth. The first thing that stands out is its extra-long 13-inch flexible arm. Unlike shorter mounts that force you into awkward angles, this one brings your screen right where you need it, making navigation safer and more natural. The suction cup base locks onto dashboards or windshields with impressive stability, and even after bumpy rides, it doesn't loosen up, which already sets it apart from cheaper alternatives. Compared to compact mounts, this one does take more space, but the comfort and visibility are worth it. Families will love how it keeps kids entertained in the back seat with perfect viewing angles, while drivers benefit from hands-free convenience. It works with most tablets and phones, though not the largest Pro models, which is worth noting. For everyday drivers, commuters, or road trip lovers, this mount delivers peace of mind, tested reliability, and genuine usability. Now, moving to the last one is eSamcore Car Tablet Holder. When you think of road trip comfort, stability is often overlooked, until your tablet slides mid-drive. The eSamcore Car Tablet Holder solves that frustration with a rock-solid base built from premium materials, making it feel reassuringly steady even on uneven roads. The adjustable 15-inch arm stands out immediately, giving drivers and passengers a perfect viewing angle without straining the neck or blocking the windshield. Compared to suction-style holders, this design keeps your dashboard clutter-free and works wonders in hot climates where adhesives often fail. The extra deep clamp feels like a game-changer, securely holding thicker cases and larger tablets without slipping, something many cheaper mounts can't handle. While it does take up a cup holder, the trade-off for reliability and safety is more than fair. Families will love how it transforms backseat cup holders into mini entertainment hubs, and drivers will appreciate the distraction-free positioning. For commuters, parents, and road trip enthusiasts, this mount feels like a smart, peace-of-mind purchase, tested for real-world comfort. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best car tablet holders, Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.